Hello everyone, how are you all? It's me Deepu Karthik and you're watching Deepu Tales. Today I'm going to share with you all guys that how I'm mastering English at home. Before I used to struggle with the English language, nervous, making mistakes and feeling stuck. But guess what? I'm becoming fluent without leaving my home. No expensive courses, not going to the spoken English classes, just being smart and the consistent practice, we can achieve that. I'll let you know the step-by-step approach how to achieve that. So without any further ado, let's get started. The problem is the most of the learners stay stuck. Most of the learners fail because they study only the grammar but never speak. Waits for the perfect time but they never practice daily. They never ever dare to do the mistakes, so they avoid conversations. I was the same before until I changed my approach. In my school days, my principal sir specially took up the challenge that we all have to be fluent in English. He used to make us learn the grammar and he used to guide us, but I never ever try to speak because if you can observe, when we are infants or the toddlers, we used to observe our parents or the elders and then we try to imitate them, and that's how we learn the language. So that is the simple principle we have to adopt now also to become fluent in English. So here is what worked for me. The step 1 you have to do is immersion at home. I turned my home into an English environment. I changed everything, my phone, my laptop, everything into English language. Watching Netflix with subtitles. I used to be over smart and try to convert the audio into my native language. This is the blunder I have made. But then later I used to understand where it is going wrong and I just changed myself, and now I'm watching the web series or any movies or anything in the Netflix only in the English language by turning on the English subtitles. For some days you continue watching the series with the subtitles, and then later if you're used to it, then you can just watch the movie without any subtitles. Initially try to watch the videos or movies by using the subtitles in English. And the next best thing is you just listen to the podcast, because some small changes in our approach leads to the big results. And the step 2 what I have used is the shadowing technique. It is the most powerful technique. This is the secret behind my fluency. I used to pick some short video clips and mimic those videos. That's how it worked for me. This is the reason why I'm posting the English videos also. I'm training myself, and also it is helpful for those who are, aspiring to get fluent in English. That's why I have started this channel and I'm posting the videos. So let's try to learn together and get fluent. You can just go through the TED Talks. There you will get the clear speeches. That will help a lot. And you can go through the YouTube channels also. Do this for 10 minutes a day and trust me, that's a magic. And the step number 3 what I have followed is speak yourself. Before I don't have anybody to speak with. I want to practice, but because of that reason, I used to postpone the practice. But what I have understood later is you can just go in front of the mirror, try to talk to yourself in the mirror. And the step 4 is we can just use the language exchange apps that are nowadays, those are available for free. You can just have the free practice there. Like you can use that Hello Talk or the Tandem or Reddit, etc. Many are there. You can just use any of those. There we can have the real-time conversations. That's how it helps us a lot. And the step number 5 is learn phrases, not just words. I stopped memorizing single words and learned full phrases. Use Anki or the Quizlet. Those are the software programs used for studying and memorizing. Anki and Quizlet both are the flashcard software programs that are used for studying and memorizing. Anki and Quizlet both are same, but they differ in their features and approach. To learn English effectively using Anki or Quizlet, try to focus on creating the flashcards. So review them regularly and you can just recall whenever you want. And step number 6 is embrace mistakes. That is the key to confidence. Before, I recorded myself often, but after seeing those masterpieces, I used to get laugh. I laughed at my mistakes, but it's okay. It's a part of learning. Mistakes is equal to progress. If we don't do mistakes, we don't get progress. So dare to do mistakes and get progress. Natives don't judge actually. In fact, they help us. There is no shortcut for this. The more you speak, the faster you'll improve. So, are you guys interested in mastering yourself in English language? Here is a short recap for you guys. Immerse yourself at home. Shadow daily. First, speak alone. Find language partners. Learn phrases, not just words. Embrace mistakes. Now, let me know how many of you are interested in mastering the English language and what's your biggest challenge. Let's discuss down below in the comment section. If this video helped, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, Deepu Tales. Hit the bell icon for more tips. See you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned, take care and bye-bye.